guys, I'm Sarah and welcome to that wonderful time of year when everybody gets asked to bring a plate to things. Now this is more for things like school and preschool because this is such a kid pleaser. It is super duper quick to make. It is simple, it is easy. It's a 5-minute throw together and then you just need to let it chill in the fridge. So let's get started. So in a bowl we're going to add 200 grams of marshmallows. The cheapest ones I could find were about $2.15 for 200 grams. That was for some at Pack and Save. Of course they can be pink, white, whatever. And into the bowl with these I'm going to put 75 grams of either butter or just table spread. And now we're just going to, you could melt these over a double boiler or something like that if you wanted. I'm going to melt these together in the microwave. I'm just going to put them in. You need to keep your eye on marshmallows because they do melt pretty quickly. Just want to do it for about 30-second spurts at a time, stirring between each 30 seconds. So there we go. I think that was about 4 30-second bursts, so about 2 minutes in the microwave. And then the last one, I just gave it a really good stir because it was pretty hot and the last of those marshmallows just completely dissolved. So now I've just got pink slime. So, rice bubbles. Crispies, Riceys, rice bubbles, puffed rice, whatever they're called in your part of the world. You need 5 cups of rice bubbles, which is about 165 grams. If you get, of course you don't need the name brand stuff, but apparently it does help if it's a new packet, so don't use old ones that you've had sat around for ages. About $1.19, give or take, depending on what brand you get, but that's for the value cheap brand ones. And then smash it all together. It's going to line a baking dish. Excuse the baking paper, it has been used before. I do tend to reuse my baking paper though. I think because of the nature and stickiness of marshmallows, it is best that you line the tray. Of course you can make this as thick or thin as you want it, you know, use a smaller tray and it'll come out thicker. Just depends what quantity you've done. So I'm just going to press that down so it's nice and firm. Put it in the fridge like that for a couple of hours, awesome. If you want to, you can add some sprinkles, make it look pretty. I don't have like, you know, the good old hundreds and thousands. I do have some all pink ones, which I think will look good on this because it's kind of pinky. All my kids will complain about that. None of my kids like pink. Tough. But one thing I can guarantee is none of them are going to not eat this because it's got pink on it. There we go, so I'm just going to chuck that, all done, in the fridge for a couple of hours and then we'll cut into it.
It's
good. It's good.
Yum. So just like marshmallow.
It's just like marshmallow and it's like marshmallow, but it's like
it definitely smells like marshmallow.
And if you put milk on it, it'll probably pop. And
It's really good.
it's like marshmallow except different.
Marshmallow tastes like marshmallow, and
It's like marshmallow
the
but
rest
crunchy.
of it is crunchy.
Yeah. It's like a crunchy marshmallow
Well,
2
sprinkles
thumbs
on
up.
with sprinkles on it.
That
I
pops
did,
when you put milk on it.
yes, I did pink just for you. Basically, it tastes like a crunchy marshmallow. That is awesome. There is no way a room full of kids is not going to be into that. Really, really easy. Bring a plate type thing for the kids. Hit like, leave me a comment down below, hit subscribe, and make some of this. When I say it's for the kids, I'm in on this too, okay? Bye.